Hi everyone, this is a very delicious radish salad, my favorites from my childhood, and I'm going to show you how to prepare, and it's very healthy and little calories, but it's good for your health. So follow and watch this video and you'll see how to prepare. First you need to separate radish from leaves, like roots from leaves, and after that you wash it, and then we'll make a salad, radish salad. For my favorite salad, I use 2 hard-boiled eggs. So they still boil in, but very soon I will turn off, and then I usually rinse with the cold water. Then it's easy to separate shell from whites. And now it's time to slice radish, and then green onion. You can add regular onion, and 2 eggs. So this is how I slice in quarters. And I'm gonna slice the rest, and I like the quarters. And you have to remember that radish is very juicy, so if you prepare the salad you have to eat it as soon as possible after you prepare. Otherwise in a couple hours you will get a lot of juice and it will be watery. Now some pepper, some salt, and 2 spoons of mayo, 2 tablespoons of mayo, and mix everything together. Here we go, delicious radish salad. Bon appetit! So if you like this video, press like, subscribe to my channel, watch some other videos, and ask me what would you like to know more about Ukrainian cuisine and what would you like to know how to cook. See you, bye bye!